Blackjack side bets are so tempting. They offer better payouts and more options to win. But are they worth it? Howdy cowpokes, it's your old friend Dominic here from AmericanCasinoGuide.com. So what exactly are side bets in Blackjack? Essentially, they're an additional wager you place at the beginning of a round at the same time as your main bet. These allow you to bet on specific outcomes or card combinations to enhance your overall gaming experience. It's kind of like picking your preferred lottery numbers and comes with similar volatility. But remember, side bets are there for a reason, as they increase the house edge when compared with the normal Blackjack gameplay. There are multiple side bets that depend on the casino or table you're playing at, so be sure to check those before playing, and if you have any doubt, you can always check with the dealer. Alternatively, if you're playing online, check the instructions section.
Always read the fine print, amigo.
So what are the most common side bets? Well, I usually come across these three, but of course there are so many more. The first, perfect pairs. Perfect pairs is based on your initial two cards. If they form a pair, you win. It doesn't really matter what kind of pair it is. It could be a mixed pair, same colored pair, or even identically suited pairs. And each of them has its own unique different payout that ranges from 5 to 1 all the way up to 25 to 1. The next side bet is 21 plus 3. This one is for all you poker lovers out there. Your initial two cards are combined with the dealer's up card to create a 3-card poker hand, and payouts vary according to the hand's rank, with a pair being the lowest and a suited 3 of a kind being the highest. The last side bet I want to talk about is Lucky Ladies. This side bet focuses on getting a total of 20 with just your first two cards. Again, the payout will depend on specific outcomes, but if you get two Queens of Hearts, aka the Lucky Ladies, it can go as high as 100 to 1.
Lucky me.
Now, while these betting options can offer exciting payouts, it's important to remember the following. Side bets come with a much higher house edge than a standard blackjack game, and have worse odds than insurance. Because at the end of the day, side bets are designed to be a fun addition to the game, but overall carry a higher risk. When considering side bets, it's essential to be mindful of your blackjack strategy and your bankroll, as losses can quickly add up. If you're new to the game or this concept in general, consider starting off with small wagers to add the desired layer of excitement without risking a substantial portion of your funds. So have you ever landed the Lucky Ladies? Let us know in the comment section down below. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.